Alright, good morning, Sec 3. Here is the answer for question 7 until 12. 7, 9, 10, number 8. Here is 11 and 12. That's 12. And this is 11. Okay. Now, I'm gonna explain this part. This is basically doing sketch. I don't want you to use a software doing this because you're not allowed using that software in the test. So the first graph is y equals to 2 cos x. The other one is this, y equals to x divided by pi minus 1. So how do we sketch that? The first one, let's sketch y equals to 2 cos x. If you see this, then identify the max. The max is gonna be 2. The mean is 2 minus 2, I mean. And then period gonna be just 2 pi normally because the b is 1. Remember, to find period is 2 pi over b. Okay. And cos started from maximum. Okay. Vertical shift is 0 because there's no number that adding this plus or minus now. So first maximum at 2. So remember, you start from 0, 0, 2. Where is it? It's here. Next, follow the pattern. Make sure it started at 2 and end at the same point, which is 2. So the pi should be at the minimum and the rest is in the middle. Connect those. And then now the other one, for this one it's also simple, just find intercept. So if you want to find y-intercept, do this, x equals to 0, 0 minus 1 there, and then substitute the other point. You can substitute pi also. If you substitute pi, the answer is gonna be 0. That's gonna be the x-intercept, which is this one. Next is substitute 2 pi just to make sure you can extend the line. So extend up to here. Why you have to extend it? Because remember, the interval is until 2 pi. So don't stop at pi. Okay. Once you sketch, you just need to state how many solution are there. Solution are the intersections. So there are 2 intersections. Okay. And this example is similar with the question 3 that I will ask you to do. Next is this part. This is basically simple. If you see, this is a sector and you minus the sector with triangle to get this part, and then just times 2, then you can get the whole part. Now the question is the perimeter first, then the area. To get perimeter is this, calculate for the s equals to r theta, and then times 2 here. Done. Next is the one that I talk about, sector minus triangle. Triangle, you use half AB sine theta. Now I want you to do number 1, sketch on spread diagram. Number 3, okay, eight, 9, 10, and 11. 1, 3, 8, 9, 11. So there are 6 numbers. If you still have questions, please ask me through WhatsApp. For this type of question, it's simple. Just move the cos to the other side, become minus, and then simplify them, so become tangent equal to negative 3 over 4, and then find the angle between this. Remember, it's only until 180 degree. So usually if it's until 2 pi, the solution is 2. usually. But now since they are asking until pi, be careful. So the solution could be less than 2, which is only 1. Okay, this one, sine 2x equals to half. Remember, if 2x like this, so the angle, the solutions could be multiplied by 2. Okay, so sine half is 30 degree and 150. Okay, so since there are 2x, then that 30 and then 150 divided by 2. That's it. 2 solutions. This could be one solution. Oh yeah. Now this one, second is 1 over cos square, cos and sine multiply. This one you could move to the left and factorize the cos, so the cos to be outside. The inside is cos also minus sine. Cos minus sine, you could convert it into tangent. And this one, 1 over 3 over cos. For this, you could multiply everything by cos and then factorize it. So it's gonna be 4 squared, this is gonna be cos x, and this is just 3. And just for a square minus a minus 3, factorize that like an algebra and then get the angle. Okay, number 9, arc length given, radius is given, area simple. There's formula for that. Half r square theta or half rs. Simple. Value of tangent to axis, the axis 1.6 radian. Just substitute. Done. Calculator. And then 2 circles of equal size, the same size, radius 10, have center at A and respectively, and length of AB is 16. So the length between 2 circles is 16. Find the angle of CBA. That's A, that's B, and C is intersections between 2 circles, so they technically connected. A, B, C, CBA is this angle. Find it. Perimeter and shaded region. Perimeter just is the S plus the height, which is 6, and this, look at this part. Remember, this is radius, this is also radius, so get the radius first. Radius minus 6. Okay, to get this radius, just Pythagoras. This plus that plus that. Okay, how to get this part? Pythagoras, and then minus it with 5 because it's the same length, this 5 and this 5. Okay, you get this part, and to get this part, it's just the S, r theta. Get the angle, you can use TOA. That's it. Bye.